Pig needs our help to stop sneezing. There has to be a way to help you stop sneezing, Pig. Rose? Aspirin? Alligators? I know. You'll stop sneezing if I act like an athlete. Athlete Sheep here, ready to help Pig stop sneezing. Is it helping, Pig? Have you stopped sneezing? No? Okay. You'll stop sneezing if I act like an astronaut. Astronaut Sheep here, ready to help Pig stop sneezing. Is it helping, Pig? Have you stopped sneezing? That wasn't it either. Okay, how about an acrobat? Acrobat Sheep is here with Dog to help my good word friend Pig stop sneezing. Is it working, Pig? Have you stopped sneezing?